equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the components. First, power off your Toshiba Satellite L6635 and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage while you work on the device. Next, locate the access panel on the underside of the laptop. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the panel off using your flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the clips. Now, you will see the hard drive and RAM slots. To replace the hard drive, first disconnect the SATA connector by gently pulling it away from the drive. Remove the screws holding the hard drive in place and carefully lift it out. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Take your new hard drive and insert it into the slot, ensuring it is securely connected to the SATA connector. Replace the screws to hold the hard drive in place. Next, let's move on to the RAM. To replace the RAM, locate the RAM slots next to the hard drive. If there are any clips holding the RAM in place, gently push them aside to release the RAM module. Pull the old RAM out at a slight angle. If you have new RAM, align it with the slot and press down firmly until the clips click back into place. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heatsinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once everything is securely in place, replace the access panel and screw it back on. Reinsert the battery and connect your laptop to the power source. If you need assistance at any point, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, power on your Toshiba Satellite L6635 and check if the new hard drive and RAM are recognized. You can do this by going to the system settings. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. We are here to help you get your laptop running smoothly again. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.